Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable auto-generated captions on Zoom meeting application. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a virtual meeting in my Zoom meeting application from my mobile phone, and if we want to enable the auto-generated caption for our meeting, we can go to the captions menu. You can scroll all the way to the right until you find captions. Okay, choose the caption, and then you can activate the caption to enable the auto-generated caption. You can click on this toggle button to activate it, and you can choose the caption language. Here I'm just going to select English and click on save. Okay, and now the auto-generated caption has been enabled. Alright guys, and that's all the way to enable auto-generated caption on Zoom meeting application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!